Hi, how's everybody doing? My name is Patrick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I haven't uploaded in a while, but wanted to pretty much I guess make some updates and maybe start documenting. So I have a 2022 Lexus RCF that I've been doing track days with, pretty much daily driving it, and just all around just like really using the car. So I plan to keep using the car. It's not a car that I plan to baby at all. It's gonna be driven hard, more track days. So I'm gonna use the car. So I've I wanted to tune it. Wasn't sure about tuning it. I wanted to make sure if I got into that, I got my ducks in order. I did the proper research. I found out who I needed to contact, what I need to buy, what that specific device does, and pretty much just what tuning package can honestly work for this car while keeping it safe, reliable, and having it still be a Lexus. So my decision. There's not too many people tuning these cars at all. There's I think a handful. That I know of. Maybe more than that I don't know of, but at least that I know of on social media, Instagram, YouTube, like whatever. There's about like a handful of people actually tuning these cars. So I decided that for my route, I want to go with a VF tuner because it gives you the liberty of tuning yourself, right? It's not like a flash that you'd send off to someone, have them flash it to you, and then you're pretty much, all locked in from there. I like to be able to go on there, see what's going on, see what I'm doing. If anything, make changes, like not myself, but just having the ability to be able to make adjustments and calibrate the ECU myself. Not myself, but pay someone or have someone calibrate the ECU, make adjustments along the line. Because again, I'm gonna keep the car, drive the car, so there'll be more stuff coming on. So I don't want to just have to keep sending the ECU back and forth for a flash. Or just have a solution that tailors to what I deem to be necessary for me. So I'll do I guess a quick I guess unboxing with my 22 RCF. They didn't have I guess the ECU ID already unlocked within like their database or however they store it. So I had to send in my physical ECU to VF Tuner. They did the unlocking. I got it back, and now it's pretty much all set to go in the car. I emailed them and I made sure like okay, can I just plug it back in and all good to go? And they said yes. So this is the actual VF Tuner software. It's the software and the device, I guess, and the registration cable. So this is the Y Flash kit, and it's the V6 version. They most recently came out with the V6. I think it's like a white circuit board. When I was looking on their socials and they were kind of showing the guts of it, it was like a white circuit board. So that's that. That's the VF Tuner Y Flash. And this is my ECU, right, in this box. So I'm gonna just unbox the I guess Y Flash first, and then I'll move on to the ECU. And they sent the ECU back the same way that I sent it to them. Um, I personally put in a shipping label so they can send it back to me, and I had it shipped priority just because I needed the car sooner. I do daily drive the car, so let's we'll do the unboxing, and I'll just show you what you can expect to get when VF Tuner sends you your package. When it comes to registration, I won't show you that part, but it's very easy to follow guide go on the website. You click on the resources tab, and I think one of the selections like where to start, or somewhere along the lines of like, this is the starting point. So look on there, go on the resources tab, and you'll pretty much find what you need to get this set up. You'll have to email them like back and forth a couple times just so that they can get the registration key from your cable, and I think some information from the car, just so that they can tie the license of the device to your vehicle. So let's get to the unboxing. Okay. All right, so this is the Y flash device. Now, this is what's in the box. So this pretty much fit perfectly in the box that they ship it in. So here's the actual VF Tuner Y flash. Alright, instead of plastic, I guess they have like this strip right here. So let's go ahead and peel that strip back. And this is it. Right there. Get the little baggie out. So a couple things in this box. It says let you read it. Okay. This is the cable. Alright. So regular USB-C to USB-A. I'm trying to see like what lettering is on there. I think this is like just normal cable. I don't know if they do anything to like the insides of it. I don't know if they like do anything do anything preparatory, whatever that word is. I can't think of it. But yeah, I don't know if they like put some anything special in the cable. Maybe, probably not. Here's the actual VF tuner. Comes in a cool orange bag. I think they were named something before along the lines of orange. And here is the device. It looks pretty cool. It's just a literally just a it's an OBD2 just plug-in thing. You just plug it right into your OBD2 port. Alright, that's it. Can't really see the insides of it. The casing isn't transparent, but yeah, it's a small device. The cable, you have this instruction sheet. It just tells you about the drivers, the software, where to email for support. So just basic stuff. Alright, on this one. Oh, there we go. Alright, that's that. So I'll put this aside for now. I'll zip up the bag. It's aside. Back in the box. And I'll grab my ECU. And I'm gonna open that. So what I did to kind of save time and minimize downtime, again, my daily car. I work from home, so I don't drive I don't have to drive Monday through Friday, right, to commute to work because work from home. So I just, conveniently, I shipped it out priority. I included a shipping label for them so they can send it back priority to me. So this whole back and forth between me and VF Tuna, um, just me sending it to them unlocking it, and then them shipping it back, it only took a week. Like, literally only took a week. It got to them. I think they unlocked it within like a day or two. And then as soon as they were done unlocking it, that very next morning, they emailed me that they were dropping it off. I was like, excellent. Those guys are pretty cool. My experience so far, excellent service. So, thank you, VF Tuner, for just for coming through and for being timely. And it's not even timely, like being quick, because that's better than timely. I think a week turnaround for sending someone something and then getting it back to your place is not bad at all. Okay. And also, their support is also extremely responsive. My experience has been that they reply to emails extremely quickly. Even at odd hours. Don't do that. Like, don't email them at odd hours, but I was getting, responses at odd hours. I was like, well, I mean, that's kind of nice, right? All right. My ECU's back. I've missed my car. My car has been parked in my driveway for a full week, and I miss my car. I miss driving my car. That's all. Okay. All right. Well, here it is. I did ship it to them in a microstatic bag. I'm not sure what happened to it because it's not here. But I did send my ECU to them in a anti-static bag. I'm sorry. Yeah, I sent it in an anti-static bag, but they didn't send it back to me in the same bag I sent it to them. But it's all right. It's safe, and I made it back. I put packaging in there. They put it right back in the packaging, and there's plenty of packaging, so it made it here safe. The box is like a little banged up, but kind of to be expected. The box made 2 trips, right there and coming back, but no, it's all good. Yeah, a little bit of a little boop boop, but whatever. It's okay. There was plenty of packaging. Like, there was that, also that. So it was covered. Honestly, I'll probably reuse this box one more time. I don't know. ECU. This box. I don't know. I think I'm gonna wipe it down with some alcohol before I put it back in. Also, maybe kind of just blow some compressed air. Just because honestly, I did ship it in an anti-static bag, just to kind of keep it safe and keep it kind of clean. But the fact that it was kind of it was just put in the packaging, which is okay because it was safe. But I do see a little bit of lint inside the plugs, the plug holes. Yeah, keeping it in the bag probably would have prevented the lint from getting in there, but hey, it's okay. It's all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with some alcohol, just because I'm going to avoid any of these, like any markings. I'm just gonna like wipe down the general casing with some alcohol, just because, literally. And compressed air to get the lint the very small pieces of lint that I see. There's not too much. I do see some lint though. I'm gonna get the lint out of there and plug it back into the car, and that should be it. Yeah. So thank you for that was it. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go plug it back in the car. I'll have an update video of, I think the next video I'll make is me uploading a first tune on it. Might just kind of show a little bit of the VF Tuner software. So yeah, so if you kind of like what's going on, give a like, subscribe. I'm gonna be doing more videos about my RCF, and I also have an Integra, a '96 Integra GSR, but she's getting no attention right now. I've just been knee deep in the Lexus, so I'll catch up with you guys later. Hit the like. Please subscribe if you like Lexus and Acura stuff, and I'll try to post more videos. It's not a very active YouTube channel, but I try to document more of what I'm doing because I do some pretty cool stuff. Thank you.